Well, I would like to leave a message in English for all friends that I have in United States, Canada, Germany, in London. Friends, I'd like to take this opportunity to say thank you very much for your attention with my channel. I know that you never understand what you say in Portuguese, but you are following me and give me your like. It's very important for me and for my channel. Thank you very much, friends. Account with me. Bye bye, see you later.
Touch the sound of silence, and in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs and voices never shared, and no one dared disturb the sound of silence. Fool said I, you do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you. Take my arms and I might reach you. But my words, like silent raindrops, fell and echoed in the wells of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made. And the sign flashed out its warning, and the words that it was forming. And the sign said the words on the prophets are written on the subway walls and tenement halls, and whispered in the sound of silence.